like we said that we have been working on this app for our remote women community and for our audiences. So I'm going to quickly show how this app looks like. Now, this is something that we provide our learners inside the course, but I want to share a glimpse with you. Okay. So whatever outreach we have been showing till now, it was manual, right? We showed you Apollo. We told you this is where you have to find clients. You have to select the industry. You will get a list of clients. Then you need to think of what services you need to provide to them. Then you need to think of what should be the exact pitch. This is how we have been doing the skill so far, right? But what if we can give you a platform where with a click of a button, you can have 10, maybe 20, maybe 50, 100 list of clients from specific industries. Okay, it can be a restaurant, it can be nail salons, it can be edtechs, it can be any particular industry you want to work with. Okay, people who are coming from the IT industry, they can work with companies in the IT sector. Okay, so what if there is a platform where you can click a button, you can download 50 or 100 companies on your system, and then you don't even have to think about what services to offer because there is a AI integrated in that. It is going to do the research for you. It is going to do the hard lifting, heavy lifting work for you. It is going to go on the internet, research, collect data, go through their website. It will see if they have a chatbot or not. It will see if they have a LinkedIn presence or not. It will see if they have a social media or not. And then on the basis of that, it is going to craft a pitch. How do you like that idea? First, tell me in the chat box. Do you guys like this idea? What if there is an app that can do all of these things for you? So I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so on your screen, you can see this is called Pitch Machine. Okay, so I'm gonna go and sign in with my Gmail account. Okay, I have already used my account and I've signed in. This is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go on Discover. Now you will see here it's asking for a business type. Now, like I said, you can search for any business type. It can be a cafe, it can be restaurants in US, it can be nail salons. You guys remember I showed you nail salon yesterday using Google Maps. We found nail salons, then we went on their website. We saw that they do not have a chatbot. So now all of these things can be automated using an app. And this is the outreach app that we have been working on. So you can search for nail salons, you can search for restaurants, dental clinic, and this is just for examples. You can literally search for any other business you want, e-commerce, fashion, beauty brands, anything, okay? So for this demo, I'm just gonna write nail salons only because we did nail salons yesterday. And now you have a list of 500 plus US cities where you can select these local businesses from. Now you need to understand that these are not big, okay, large businesses, because they do not need our help, right? They do not need our help. They already have their team. They can afford an expensive technician or expensive person to do this kind of work for them. But we are going to reach out to the smaller ones, the local businesses. Okay, so let me select just any particular town. I'll take, okay, any particular city. I'm taking Appleton. Okay, number of leads, let's say that I want only 10 leads for now, and I am going to run this search. All right, it will not take even minutes and you will have a list of prospect clients on your screen. Okay, are you guys understanding till now? You're liking it? App name is Pitch Machine. We are yet to rename the app, and this is something that we are working on. This is a SkillArbitrage product. All right, so you can see that it has gone on the internet, it has extracted the details of nail salons in Appleton, and then it is creating a list for us. And within not even minutes, it's going to give us this list. Can you all see on your screen? We have 10 prospect clients right here. Isn't this amazing? So now that I have 10 prospect list, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to save these 10 leads, okay? And then I'm going to go on pipeline. Now all the 10 leads that I saved, I can see it here in one place. Okay, it is going to show what clients I have discovered till now, who I have audited, who I have researched on, who I have pitched to, and who has replied to me, everything in one place. Isn't this amazing? Yes. Now I'm going to show you the next process. This is an incredible thing to do. Okay, let's say that we are going to reach out to this Ventino nails in particular. All right, I can go back. So I can select this particular nail company and I'm going to go on research on one lead. So when I click research on one lead, it's going to do a comprehensive research on its own. It's going to go on the internet, it's going to go on their website, it's going to scan their website, it's going to see if they have a chatbot or not. Okay, we don't have to do this thing manually. So are you guys understanding what is the value of this tool? Okay, so if I do this for all these 10 companies, how many hours can I save with this? If I am doing this for 10 company manually, how much time will it take if I'm doing the same thing? Yes, going on their website, checking if they have a chatbot, checking if their founders have a presence, checking if they have a social media profile, checking if they have a LinkedIn profile, and then I'm creating a report. Days of research, right? All right, you can see in seconds I have got the audited report, and this is how it looks like. Okay. Now I'm going to click on this. You can see that it has also given a rating of 6 out of 20. All right, now we will see why it has given that rating. So we have got the website here. We have got the address. We have got the phone numbers. Let's read the audit. Okay, it's an honest review of the prospect's online presence. Now, founder's social presence. Okay, it has identified, I'll just zoom in a bit. It has identified they have a Facebook presence, but they can expand to Instagram. Their team and about page, that is their website, it is not substantial. It has got 1 out of 5 rating. Then chatbot is not there. Okay, chatbot, it has identified itself that chatbot is not there. And reviews, you guys also saw review management yesterday, right? So it also went and checked their reviews. So it was there on Google, but it was not there on Reddit, Quora, and LinkedIn, which are very significant platforms. All right, what are the social media profiles found? Facebook. And then it has created this pitch. So I'm going to go and check on their website with you right now, and we will see if they have a chatbot or not, and whether this is a true audit report. Okay, so can you guys tell me if you spot a chatbot anywhere? Can you see any chatbot? No, right? So this does not have a chatbot, and we do not have to do this again and again for different clients, going on their website, checking if they have all these things or not. Now that we have done the full audit report, what is next? We need to reach out to them. Okay, we have got their contact details. We know exactly what they are missing, and we are going to be the bridge. We are going to fix that gap for them, right? So what is the next thing? Okay, so we are going to generate a pitch. Now you will put your mind to it. You will think, what should I exactly write? What should be the best way? You don't even have to think that anymore. Everything is getting automated. I'm going to click here on generate pitch, and it's going to personalize a pitch for this particular company. You want to see the pitch, you guys? You want to see how the pitch looks like? Yes? All right, so I'm going to click on generate pitch, and it's going to generate a personalized pitch for this particular company. Okay, not even a minute it took. Can you see? I'm going to read the pitch with you, and you can tell me how is the pitch, what is the quality of this pitch, okay? So it says, Dear Ventino, I'm genuinely excited about what you're doing in the beauty industry, and I believe there are some hidden blockers to your full growth potential, okay? Based on our audit, your business currently scores 30 out of 100 across key growth factors such as online reputation, founder's personal brand, online visibility, lead capture, which suggests there may be several missed opportunities to convert visitors into clients. Your social media presence could use a boost. There is currently no dedicated team or about page. I scanned your website and I found no chatbot which could help serve existing customers better. Just a few tweaks in this could help you attract potential employees. You may already know this, but you may not have the time to fix this as a busy business owner. I am an AI native virtual assistant who specializes in assisting business owners to free up their time and automate their business growth. If you respond to this email, I will send you a complimentary report highlighting the top action items, okay, to fix in 60 days. And if you want, then we can also do a 30 days complimentary basis. Now reply yes to get the report. How do you guys like the pitch? Do you think this is an incredible professional pitch that we can send them? Okay, we're not just reaching out to them and begging for a job or asking for a job. We are showing the exact missing gap in their business and where we can come in. Incredible? Yes. Now I'll show you another thing. Okay, so my Gmail is connected with this. Okay, so this is my Gmail account. Right now I do not have any draft. You can see, right? No drafts. I'm going to click draft to Gmail. it's going to save this particular Gmail inside my Gmail account. Okay, I'll refresh this. Can you all see? It is here. Now what I have to do is that I only have to click on send. Did you guys see this? Is this incredible or not? So I did this for one company. I can select 10 companies. I can research on them. It can be from any industry. You have to see the potential. Okay, the number of outreach, the number of clients you're reaching out in a particular day. Now you want to see the complimentary report also. Now let's say that they reply with a yes. They want to see the report. You want to see the report. So I'm going to click on generate report and I'll show you how the report looks like. So it has the action items, exactly what you can do for them. This is something that we give our students inside the course. You will have access to this app. Okay, so I'll show you how this looks like. Okay, you can see online presence review, founders presence, team about page, chat bot, online reviews. Then what are the recommendations? They have to create a team about page, and you can also download this as a PDF. Okay, let's take a look at this PDF and you can tell me how this is. Ventino Nails and Spa. Yes. And then let's see 30 out of 100, founders online presence, team about page. Okay, these are the recommended action item. How do you guys like this?